Honorable Speaker, the famous writer William Butler Yeats once said that the purpose of education is to light a fire, not to worship the ashes. Today, I rise with firm conviction to speak against the motion of the topic that in the field of book learning, digital media cannot be a substitute for printed media. Because when education itself teaches us to adapt with time, how can we still defend a motion that refuses to run with it? Honorable Speaker, the ruling party wants to hold into printed media as if learning is imprisoned between two hardbound covers, but knowledge is not sacred because it's printed, knowledge is sacred because it transforms mind. According to the UNESCO Global Education Report 2024, 68% of learning content is accessed digitally, 78% of universities using digital repositories as their primary academic source. If printed media is irreplaceable, then why are IITs, Harvard, Cambridge, AIMS are using digital media as their primary academic source? Here's a report that by the Times of India, where the Tinsukia launched state's first multimodal learning space as the district library. If Assam's district library is converting their space into a digital media, where a hall with interactive screens, high-speed internet, e-resources, and with zero textbook, then if printed media is indispensable, why is this Assam State Library shifting into a digital learning space? The opposition party might state that digital media might be distracting, but a student who is doodling in the last page of the textbook, is he not distracted? Distraction never comes from a screen. Distraction comes from disinterest. So, according to here is a report by the Times of India, where Assam's Samagra Shiksha Assam introduced digital learning platform called e-Kaksha for class 1 to 10. Cotton University, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Assam ASTU, everything is providing study materials, forms, notices, everything online. So how can we defend the motion? Honorable Speaker, education, we must move. We are debating about a topic, we are holding on to a topic that has, education world has already moved forward, and we are debating about a topic, it's like we are trying to stop a train that has already left the station 10 years ago, sir. So this is not fair. Tinsukia has launched the first multimodal in Assam. We are stating that, and like, I would like to substantiate my argument and submit my proof to the Honorable Speaker, sir. Thank you.